In this video, we talk about how to use and maintain your humidifier in your home, as well as how to set it. That's starting right now.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to another Home Buyer School video, specifically our homeowner how-tos. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from home buying experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today we're in the basement of a home in our first of our two-part series on humidity management. I'm joined by Ilana Stanija with Brookfield Residential, and we're going to show you today how to use and maintain your humidifier. So before we begin, Ilana, can you tell us a little bit more about humidity?
Absolutely. Humidity is a double-edged sword. It can be very good for your home and it can also be very, very bad. Now, most of the materials in your home come from natural sources, which makes them very susceptible to humidity and moisture. With that being said, if you have too much humidity in your home, you run the risk of warping and bending these materials. And if you don't have enough, they can split and they can crack. Now, since we're not going to stop using our homes anytime soon, we have to find a way to manage humidity, but it can be tricky because anything as simple as cleaning, bathing, even breathing creates excess humidity. So this is where your humidifier comes into play.
Perfect. Let's get started.
You'll be able to find your humidifier as it's mounted on your furnace. Above it, you'll see the humidistat. This is how you can control the level of humidity in your home based off of the temperature that's outside. A good rule of thumb is the colder it is outside, the less humidity you want inside your home. Down below is the humidifier itself. What this does is it filters water through the air that circulates through your home. Inside it is a filter that you're going to want to change every 3 months or so. You can also clean them, and we'll show you how to do that today. To get started, what you'll want to do is pop off the cover by locating the top and bottom tabs on the humidifier. Push down firmly and pull out. Inside, you'll see you have a dial. This dial shuts off the airflow to the furnace. During the winter months, we recommend you keep it on the winter setting. However, if you have air conditioning in the summer, you can put it on the summer setting. If not, leave it on winter all year. Put that upright in order to remove the filter. Pull from the top and then lift up. Here's a good example of a filter that needs to be cleaned. To remove this, slide off the plastic insert and the filter should come out with ease. To clean this, you can soak it in CLR until all the calcium has come off. After that, you're going to want to give it a good rinse, pop it back into the slide, and then you're ready to reinstall. Now that we've got the clean filter, you can go ahead and reinstall it back into your humidifier. There's a couple things you'll want to note before reinstalling it. The first is you'll want to line up the drain of the filter with the drain of the humidifier. The second is a lot of humidifiers do have a water hose. Most of them will be located on top. You'll want to remove that before you even take this out and then place it back in once you're done installing your filter. To put it back in, I like to start at the bottom, line up the drains, and push the top until you hear the click. The click is very important. If you don't hear that, your humidifier will leak. Once that's done, turn your air valve back to the winter setting. Put your cover back on. And that's it. You're done.
So Ilana, how much humidity should I set my home to?
You know, it's a personal preference with a maximum to about 30% we would recommend. However, if you're starting to see condensation building on your windows, that's a dead giveaway that your humidity is too high and you need to lower it on your humidistat.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
No, that's it.
Great. And don't forget to watch part 2 of our humidity management series on HRVs in the video above and in the description below. Thank you very much for joining us. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and remember to subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Home Buyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.